There's nothing like chilling with my girls, just me and my divas, taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now,
What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back. Welcome me back. What's up, you guys? So I haven't recorded in some weeks, like a few weeks. You know, I've been enjoying my rest time and my relaxation. Like, girl, you know, it's kind of been slow. So I've been just taking advantage of that and just kind of like doing the things that I like to do, which I really never get to do, girl. But y'all already get it. So I hope y'all all having like a really great day when y'all are watching this channel, when you're watching this video. Positive energy sent to you guys. Loves, hugs, and kisses. Like, seriously, let's keep it positive because it's 2024. I don't know what else to tell y'all, but life is just kind of really short. So you got to enjoy it. You got to be kind to everybody. You gotta love yourself, girl. Just get into good vibes. That's all I'm gonna say to y'all. I'm not gonna preach to y'all, and that's what it is. So, you know, I'm in a good vibe right now because when it comes to my first wigs, you know, it's the best of the best of the best, baby. Do it like it's your B-day. Okay? Okay. So y'all already know they do come in these nice little satin bags. Does come in a box too, but this is something you can keep. They don't be sending y'all those plastic wig bags. They give y'all something that's really nice. So when you're going away, you can carry it in this and nobody will have to know what you got. You know what I'm saying? Your wig is discreet. So this one right here, it also comes with their pamphlet, which I'll definitely show you guys all in how your wig comes. This one is 12 inches and this is a bob, and this one right here is a pre-cut bob. Now, this is supposed to be put it on and go, but y'all know I already like to do some things before I put anything on and go. The hair texture is silky and it's 12 inches and it is already pre-cut for you guys. It also does have the elastic band in the unit and it has the straps in the nape. Girl, I got this thing so tight because prior to this I did have it on my mannequin, so you know she got a much smaller head than mine. So like I was saying, it's already pre-cut. Even in the nape area, it's already pre-cut for you as well. Y'all see those little ridges and stuff. Already pre-cut for you too in the nape area. 13x6. Girl, what I tell y'all about my first wigs, girl? The best of the best of the best of the best of the best. Like, girl, you ain't got to do nothing. This one of those, you can just put it on and go. Floss it, baby. Floss it and look cute. You can also check out their sister website, which is RPG Show. And you can also check out their clearance sale sites as well. I'll make sure to list everything down below. You already know your girl's about to slay. We don't play on this channel. Not today. Okay. But let's just get into this wig tutorial because I wanted this to be quick, easy. It's already bleached for you too. I did forget to mention that, so that's the good thing about my first wigs. You can order them to be bleached, deeply bleached, however you like it. There are options for you girls. So are you guys who like wigs but just don't want to do the work, then you can go to My First Wigs. They will have you covered. They will have you slayed all day. Okay, let's get into the tutorial.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. Feels like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy. Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. Try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna.
All right, ladies, let's get into this video. This is already pre-cut, pre-bleached, okay, and pre-plucked. All of the pre. And let's not forget pre-approved. Now, for one, as you guys can tell from the lace, you do see like the jacket mark. The kind of like zigzag kind of formation of the pre-cut. This definitely helps blend the lace into your skin versus it just being straight across and giving you that line of demarcation on your actual skin. So when cutting the lace in like this type of zigzag or just curved motion, it'll definitely blend. It'll just be a better blend. It'll melt, baby. Now right here, I'm just going to cut off just a small piece of the lace so that way the wig fits just perfect. It lays flat. But this hairline is natural. You don't have to do anything. This is one of those wigs where you just throw it on and actually throw it on and go. But I like the fact that you don't have to cut the lace. That saves us all a lot of time. And for those who don't know how to cut the lace, it also helps in them saving them a lot of time. Now this is my favorite part. You know, I like to sculpt me some sideburn hairs. Not needed, but if you have a long head like mine, you try to disguise it the best you can. Now I use the Marc Anthony Sculpting Styling Foam. It's made for curly hair, but the foam is so thick that it will hold your sculpt all day. It's not going to stick or adhere the wig to your flesh, but it's going to sculpt. Now I love to use this on my edges because I can brush them. It gives them a more or less natural appearance. But this wig, I'm not using any hairspray. I never use glue, so this is 110% glueless. I'm just going to use my styling mousse to sculpt the side. I'm not going to use any baby hairs. You don't need any with a Myfirstwig, but each person has their own preference. So if you want to put baby hairs on your unit, by all means go ahead. And now while I let the product dry like the sculpting foam, I'm just going to put on my melting band and I'm going to style this unit. Now as you see, this is a 13x6, ladies. You have plenty of parting. Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut lace, and pre-approved by your girl A. Okay. And I'm just going to use that melting wax that you can pick up at Myfirstwigs. This will help tame your hairs. It'll also help with the flyaways, but it will also help in pressing your hair when you're using a hot comb. I will link everything down below for you guys for this unit. I did forget to mention, do you see the highlights in this bob? They're very chic. They're very subtle. It gives this bob like a whole different vibe. I like the highlights. It came out super nice. The highlights are not too much. And if you want the lace to look as natural as possible, try some of the foam. As you guys see right here, glueless, baby, glueless. Okay?
Really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a host for me. But self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry.
All right, you guys, so this was it, throw on and go. You know, I had to put a little bit of curvage into the wig myself. You know, sometimes you gotta do stuff, I did make the part longer. As you guys can see, it's a 13x6. So this baby is going all the way back. But as far as the length, this really looks like 14 inches to me. It does say 12, but you know, it just depends on the person's head, their neck length, and all that. And y'all know I always be saying my neck is short, so okay, listen. Now you could put it in a side part if you wanted to. Y'all know I don't really do middle part. I think it came out really cute. You know, the part was already there, so why go ahead and disturb it? There are people who really do like a middle part bob, and you know what? That's okay. If that's what you want to do, girl, that's what you're going to do. I did have to, you know, customize the sides by just cutting a little bit of the lace off, just so that way it'll fit comfortable, it'll fit precise, it'll lay flat, and that's it. I was so happy that I didn't have to cut no lace. Like, I really don't care if I have to cut the lace, but it's just much easier, so much easier. And plus, the lace being cut like this with little zigzag makes life so much better. I'm telling you, girl, you like life to be better, baby. You like life to be better, then trust me, it's not a blunt cut straight across, and it looks really, really natural. But it was already pre-plucked, you know, natural hairline, and that's about it, you guys. You could definitely check out Myfirstwig. Let me know what you think about this bob, girl. She loose, she free flowing. It does come in yaki texture too, I do believe, and if you like shorter hair, then this one might be for you. You could definitely change the part, and you can put some curl in it too if you choose to, but girl, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Throw on and go. You already know, slay to the gods because of Myfirstwig. So I'll leave all the information down below for you guys. I love y'all. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay peaceful, stay out the way, mind your business, stay diva and divolicious, and I will see y'all in the comments. Make sure you like this video. Please like the damn video, okay? Like the video. Pound it down for the likes, okay? Peace out.